Here's a look at the E-mini S&P through the eyes of eminidaytrader.com. Well, we always like to start off here with the market profiles, so no different today. Here's today's profile and volume profile for the regular trading hours, and this is what occurred yesterday. So we were suggesting around the 47 area as resistance. So you can see that since we had the last video, the overnight market took it out just by a little bit, but then had a nice sell-off here, especially after the jobless numbers were released. The RTH opened here, found some support, and then rallied up and made this high, but then had the good sell-off late in the day, and then a bounce to finish it off. So a very volatile day, a lot of volume. The market initially hit near our 25 next level, 35 I should say, which is our next level here. You see the market dipped a little bit below it overnight, but came all the way down to 25 in the regular trading hours. So we think that the market is trying to find a bottom, and we're going to monitor 1331. If it can hold below that, it could very well come down and test into the around 23 area. And then below that, who knows, it could really have a big drop. But that's the areas that we're looking for as support. If it holds below 23, then we're looking probably about another who knows 10 to 15 points lower if it should really start to accelerate the selling. Other than that, we're looking at 31 as a likely support area because of the kind of bounce we had late today and the kind of volatility that occurred today. And then we're looking at around 1340 to 43 as likely areas where the market could find some resistance. Here's the market profiles from the regular trading hours only. Here is our software showing our trades today. It was pretty quiet going into the day. You can see here that we had a short trade to start. We didn't, let me just put that in we had the short trade here. We did not take that, of course, because of the green filter. And then we got triggered, actually a couple triggers here into the long trade, which was filled right here. You can see that in this case the dashed arrow, which is our entry price, actually was there for quite some time before the market came down and hit it, and then had a nice bounce up. So that worked well. The next trade we took was a short trade from here, and it did have a nice dip, so it worked out okay. Didn't really make much on it. We did get stopped on this short trade though. We really had anticipated at that time we'd get more follow through lower. It kind of gave us the two-step though. It first rallied up and then it had the big sell-off. So as a result, we were able to get short in here, which turned out to be our best trade of the day. We're able to stay on board right down, not all the way to the low, but almost to the low here. Stayed on board that trade for 6 points, 4 points on the final partial. We did get stopped on a short trade in here, and then we had another short trade here, which worked out nicely, hitting our first two objectives. So we had a number of trades today. I think there was about 5 or 6 trades. It was still on the plus side for the day, but a somewhat difficult day to trade, and with a couple of stop outs, but some good profits as well. So the kind of move we've had here late, as I said, if it can get back up around the 40-41 area, that likely to be a good resistance area. So we're going to monitor that overnight. We're also going to monitor in around the 29 area for support. We really think it should come in around 31, but if it dips a little bit below that, as the market tends to do, that could occur overnight, and then a test of it in the regular trading hours. So an interesting day of trading. It really did move around a lot, and that'll be it. So any questions or comments, don't hesitate in getting a hold of us at info@eminidaytrader.com. We always enjoy hearing your questions and comments. Always welcome. So that'll be it for today. Thanks for watching the video. See you tomorrow.